Hello everyone! In today's lesson, we're going to learn some super simple and useful Mandarin Chinese conversations that you can start using right away. 你好,你好. Ni hao is the most basic greeting in Chinese. Ni means you and hao means good. So it literally means you good. It's polite and can be used any time of day, morning, afternoon, or evening. 你好吗?我很好. In Chinese, to turn a statement into a question, you just add ma at the end. So, 你好吗 literally means you good. Notice we say 我很好, I very good. Chinese often use 很, meaning very, to connect the subject and adjective. 谢谢你,不客气. 谢谢 means thank you, and adding 你 makes it more personal. 不客气 is the standard way to say you're welcome. It literally means don't be polite or how nice is that? 你叫什么名字?我叫黎明. 叫 means to be called. So this sentence means you are called what name? Chinese names usually come in the order surname first, then given name second, like 黎明. 再见,明天见. 再见 literally means see again, and 明天见 means see tomorrow, or actually meaning see you tomorrow. This pattern is really useful. Just say a time and then add 见 to say see you at that time. 你去哪儿?我去学校. 去哪儿 means go where. In Chinese, the verb usually comes before the place. So the formula is subject plus go plus where. Like 你去哪儿?现在几点?现在8点. 现在 means now, and 几点 means what hour. Just say the time number plus the to say the hour. Super simple. For example, 8点 or 4点 or 3点. 你吃什么?我吃米饭. 吃 means to eat, and 什么 means what. So this sentence is literally you eat what. 米饭 means plain rice, a common staple in China. 你喜欢猫吗?我很喜欢. 喜欢 means to like. To ask a yes-no question, you just add ma at the end of the sentence. 猫 means cat. So now you can tell people you're a cat lover. 你今天忙吗?很忙. 今天 means today, and 忙 means busy. So this means you today busy? Reply with 很忙 for very busy, or 不忙 for not busy. Let's take a quick look at the new words we learned today. This will help you remember and recognize them more easily. And great job today! You've just learned some real-life Mandarin conversations that you can start using right away. Practice them out loud, review the words, and try them with a friend if you can. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment with your favorite sentence, and subscribe for more simple and fun Mandarin lessons. 谢谢你